welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you're subscribed, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. If you are not, I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing and coming to watch this video. This is our monthly napkin swap hosted by Sarah from Sunflowers and DIYing, and her co-host is Momma Mia DIY. My box was sent to me from Kate. This swap, we swap napkins. This is just, we use whatever napkins they send. This isn't a mystery one. And you just do whatever DIY, decoupaging, or whatever you want to do with the napkin. So I'm going to open this box and I'll be right back. Okay, oh my goodness, Kate, you sent some napkins. Wow. Oh my goodness, she really sent a lot of napkins. She said, can't wait to see what you come up with. Have fun. So, Kate. Well, thank you, Kate. These are some very beautiful napkins. She sent so many napkins. She must have lots of napkins. These are very pretty. These are very pretty. These are going to be great for springtime, aren't they? Flower napkins. Autumn Moon. All right. Okay, so I got this wood flower from Dollar Tree a while back. So I'm just going to take some Mod Podge, go over that and let that dry. While that's drying, I am going to paint some of these little flowers here. Well, I've got some flowers and some butterflies. So I've got these, and I want to do a pink, but I don't want to do, I'm going to try. I don't know if this is going to work or not. We're going to see. I like this pink. It's a light pink, but it's just kind of bright for what I'm going to do. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to try this first. Yeah, that's more like what I'm going for. I don't want it to be a bright pink. Just want to dull it down a little bit. And this is Antique Wax by Waverly, and this is Cameo Pink by Apple Barrel. That way it's not as bright pink. Gives it more of a rustic look, I think. I'm only going to go with one coat of that, because I don't really care for it to be bright. I just wanted to give it a little bit of color. So we'll set these to the side and let these dry. And I am going to make this for my mom. So I think I'm going to do the same thing with this, even though this has a shimmer to it, which I want to use. I don't want it to be as bright. So I'm going to try the same technique with this. And when I like that, it gives it just a little bit more of a darkness to it, more of a rustic look, I think. Like I said, I just want to give these a very light coat. I don't want them to be real dark. Just want to give them a light cover. Okay, we'll let these dry and I'll be right back. Okay, taking some Waverly Antique Wax again, and just want to lightly just give these a little bit of a stain. So this Mod Podge on this flower is dry. I'm sorry about all the cords here. There's nothing I could do. The only plug I have is over here on my craft desk. So I've decided to use this napkin that Kate so kindly sent to me for this project. This pink matches the flowers the best. Hopefully we can use this napkin if it's big enough. Ooh, yes, just barely, isn't it? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, you know, of course you have to peel away the other layers to your napkin to where you're just left with the one thin layer. And this is not my method. I got this from another channel. I gave her recognition in last month's video, so if you want to go check her out, Mimi. This is dry here. You put your Mod Podge down and it's dry. Yes, that's the right side. Okay, then you're going to take whatever heat source you want to use, and I'm using my mini Cricut heat press. And make sure that is straight. That napkin is just pretty. I hope this turns out great. Okay, then you just go over this, and this activates your Mod Podge. Oh, I didn't realize this had this white on it. But that's okay. That's okay. It's okay. How did I not see that white border? Well, lesson learned there. I should have ironed that napkin before I put it on there. But that's okay. We live and we learn, right? This is just a sanding pad. My husband gave me this. And I like it a lot. It's a lot better than the block or the paper. Real easy to hold in your hand. I'm not sure exactly how this is going to work. Like I said, I have never made this before. Okay, so I thought I was going to be able, I was going a whole different way with this, but that just isn't going to work out. I am going to go in and give this a little bit of distressing with some Memento ink. There we go. We can just get rid of that, some of this white lines anyway. I can't believe I didn't see those, but that's okay. We can always make things work, I guess. We'll just go in, see, give it a little bit of an aged look. Get rid of that line. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with these. That is for sure what these flowers needed. Right. I'm not sure what way I'm really going to go with this, but I'm going to go ahead and do the same with these flowers, because even if I can't use these right now, I will be able to use these at some point. And I just love how that paint turned out, how it is just like an off, you know, more of a rustic pink. So I know I will be able to use this for something else. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because my plan was to use these all the way around the flower to put the letters on, but it doesn't seem like it's going to work out that well. See, I wanted to go around here like this. See, we're going to have 2 butterflies the same. Why didn't I think about this more? because I wanted to make it like a wreath, and this would be the center. Okay, so then we of course want to put some type of bow on here. And what works better with rustic than twine, right? So the twine bow looks cute, but I think we need a little bit more of something. So I've got this Easter ribbon from the Dollar Tree. So I think it needs a little pop of something under there. Okay, so here's this, and you know, I guess the idea is great. The execution not so great. Wanted to do like a wreath around here, and I guess what I could have done if I had been smart about that, but I would have needed to even these out. So I could have done something else or just left that plain around here, but I should have done like maybe some little sticks to get those, but it would have to be very thin sticks to get them like this. But you could do that, you know, so you could do that to where this was around here like this, and then had your welcome around there, because this is obviously too big here. But you know, we learn as we go when you try to do something. So you see, this is just too far off. And if I went over just a little bit more with this, like I had it lined up, that's where I messed up. So, but I think it's still cute. Okay, I normally do try to get a couple projects in with this collaboration, but I just didn't have much time this month. So I like this sign. I like the way it turned out. I mean, well, you know, this is a little bit further over than I wanted it to be, but it's still cute. You could even take this and hang this in the middle, use it for an insert in the middle of a wreath, and I think it would be super cute. All right, so thank you, Sarah, for hosting this napkin swap every month. It's so fun. I really do enjoy this, and thank you, Momma Mia DIY, for co-hosting. I will have a playlist in the description box, and I hope you'll go and check out everybody's project. I'm sure that you'll see some beautiful things. All these ladies are super talented. Thank you all so much for watching this video and coming back every month. I appreciate it. Hope you all have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having so much fun. Stay safe, everybody. Bye-bye.